Okay, so today's lesson is on solving systems of inequalities by graphing. So we're going to graph the two inequalities and then find the solution set on the graph. So to do this, you can try to go into Desmos and do this, or you can draw them by hand. Determine the method for graphing the line. Determine if the line should be solid. If it has the equal to, it's solid, or dashed if it does not. And once all lines are graphed, test points to determine which regions to include in your solution. And then you're going to shade that region. So for number one, sorry, I already started changing this, so I'm putting in a slope-intercept form. I moved the -1 to the other side by subtracting, so now I have y equals -x minus 1, and I'm going to graph by beginning at the y-intercept, which is at -1, and I'm going to move. The slope is -1, so down 1 and over 1. And I like to draw all the points across my page. Do not connect the line because you want to check to see if it's solid or dashed. So this is less than, it does not have the equal to. So this is a dashed line. So you're just going to kind of dash in the line. And there are arrows at both ends. The second one is y is greater than or equal to 1. So when we don't have an x value, we're going to go to a y-intercept at 1, and we're going to think the slope is not there. It's 0x. So there is no rise. So it's a straight side to side. So we're going to think about this line going side to side. And because it says equal to, we're going to make it a solid line. So now we're going to test a point. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 regions formed by these two lines, if you kind of visualize those 4 regions. We're going to test points in the regions and see if there's solutions. If they are, then that's our solution set. If they aren't, then we're going to try a different one. So I always like to start with 0, 0 because it's easy math to see if it works. So if I plug in 0, 0 plus 1 is less than 0. So is 1 less than 0? No. So this region is out. So then we pick a point in another region. So I don't know, let's pick this point right here. This point is 0, 3. So if I plug in 0 for x, 3 plus 1 is less than 0. Nope, that region's out as well. So then we can pick a point down this region. So let's go here, maybe -3, 0. So if we put 0 in for x, or -3 in for x and 0 in for y, 0 plus 1 is 1, is less than a -3, which is 3. 1 is less than 3, so that works. And then we go here, the y is 0 greater than or equal to 1? Nope, so that doesn't work. So we're left with the last region. And let's pick a point in the last region, 1, 2, 3, 4, +2. Is this point. So if we plug in for y, or for y2 and x4,